Hey guys, this is Dan from New Positivity TV, showing you the new numbers 99997. We're getting closer to that 100,000 mark and this countdown. So we appreciate you guys taking time out of your holidays and spending time with the channel, looking at the videos, and also joining the movement here. We couldn't do this without you guys, and so we appreciate you sharing and liking the videos. $99998, guys. 2 more. Which one of you guys gonna be that 100,000 subscriber? New Positivity TV, inspiring the best of you. Here we go, 9999. 1 subscriber away from 100,000, guys. 100,000 subscribers. 100,000 family members. Right on, we did it, guys. Inspiring the best of you. New Positivity TV. I'm Dan, your host. And I appreciate it. Look we just went to 100,001. This is happening right in front of you guys. New Positivity TV. Thank you guys so much. We're going to keep all you guys in prayer. Set your goals for the new year. 2026 is coming up. Everything's possible. You can see that with this channel right here, guys. It's an email there that's attached to the channel. You can also go to the community and just kind of respond to this, guys, and let me know what you think and any suggestions for upcoming videos. We're working with AI, talking about AI and how it can benefit you guys in your next year or in your everyday life. It's a good asset, guys. It's a good assistant to you. New Positivity TV has brought AI into its everyday. So you guys should kind of check it out. Don't be fearful of it. It's new technology, and it's a benefit if you use it right. New Positivity TV, inspiring the best of you. Work of joy. Thank you guys. And Happy New Year that's coming up as well. 2026. May God bless you, give you strength, give you focus, give you financial blessings, and your mind be open to change and make good things happen for you and your family in this upcoming year. This is Dan Harris, your host, New Positivity TV, inspiring the best of you.